guys, Grace Time here. I'm here at Tokyo Jeunesse Brand Center. So I'm gonna explain what are this Luminesce series. So this is body renewal. Body renewal is a lotion. So you just squeeze and then you can get a little amount. And you can use this all over your body. This is body renewal. You can use anytime. This is like lotion. I use it everywhere. Right? Like that. And then next is this is Youth Restoring Cleanser. Youth Restoring Cleanser is a soap for face. You just open and squeeze. I'm not gonna put it because I don't wanna wash my face now. Or you can use this one. This is to pump. So you can squeeze a little amount and you can put here, squeeze and then close. Once you squeeze here, you put a little water and then you close and you pump. So pump and pump so that it will bubbles, and then you take and you wash your face. This is like soap, and then smoothly, and after that you rinse with warm water or cold water, up to you. So you use it in the morning, anytime, at night before you sleep. So this is very good. It's not, the bubbles become very soft, like a foam. So when it becomes a foam, it's easier to use it in your face. So you don't need a lot, just a little, with a little water. So first you clean your face. So as you can see, you clean your face with this one, with the Youth Restoring Cleanser, and then wash it with warm water and then dry your face. After you dry your face, we're gonna use serum. So serum, this small one is serum. So you open, you squeeze a small amount and you put it all over your face. This serum, I usually use it here more on my wrinkles here, but it's better if you use it all over your face. You can use it in your neck, all over your neck. You can use this, then leave it for maybe 1 minute, 1 hour, and then at night you use this night what they call that, what's the name, Advanced Night Repair, Luminesce Advanced Night Repair. After the serum you put Luminesce Night Repair at night. That's why it's night. So you take a small amount and you can put it all over your face as well. I can use it anytime, even during the day I use this. This is very good, like very soft in your face. So you just put it all over your face, then you're ready to go to bed. So that's cleanser, serum, and then night repair. So these three, 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you wash your face with this. And then during the day, we start with this one. Again, cleanser for the soap. Wash your face, rinse with water, dry it, and then we start with serum again. So you put your serum all over your face, your neck, and then because we are going outside, we use this daily moisturizing complex with SPF 30. So SPF 30 to protect us from the sun, from the sunburn. So you use this, open, squeeze a small amount, and then you put that in your face again. Me, I can use it anytime. So you can just put it in your face any time of the day. Maybe you can use every 3 hours. So you put this in your face to protect you from the sun. So this is the one. And then for those people who have a little, like you want to clear your face, you use this brightening gel, Luminesce brightening gel. That means it will brighten. So use it, squeeze, like shake it, squeeze a small amount, and you can use that in any part of your face. For example, like a little dark spot, you can squeeze, you can scrub like this one. For example, here, you can do like that. More on like massaging. So this is the brightener. You can massage. Me, I use it in my arm because I have a lot of like dark spot from the sunburn long time ago. So I use it. I use it here. So I squeeze. What they call that? I massage it in my skin. So it will remove the dark spots. So you use it. This is brightening gel. You can use in your face. You can use in any part of your body. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one you can use anytime, right? And we need lotion for our body. So this is the lotion. So you use the lotion, the first one, right? So I think that's about it. And you can have a good preparation for before you put your makeup. All right, so that's about it, guys. Luminesce skincare series from here in Jeunesse Global. This is a Tokyo brand center. So if you can see, look at this, very beautiful office. Everybody can use this, guys. Look at that. So here's the meeting. You can meet your clients here. And there's the showcases, different products. And there's computer over there you can use, and customer service over here. And here you have 1, 2, 3 very nice area, so you can show your client how to use the product. You can try it here. It's a free trial. So, oh, and by the way, I forgot that we have this. This is a mask, Hydra Shield mask. We can use it after. We can use it any time of the day, right? You put it first. It's a mask, like maybe leave it for like 20 minutes, and after you remove the mask, then you can put your makeup. Okay, so Luminesce Hydra Shield mask. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, bye for now. Grace time.